In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the best time to buy stocks. If now is not the best time to buy stocks, I don't know what time is. So we're going to be talking about that a little bit in this video. But before we get started, I have a quick
message.
Welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV. And on this channel, I normally talk about credit cards, and how to make money using credit cards. But in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about when the best time is to buy stocks. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss future videos and updates just like this one. Okay, so when it comes to stocks can be tricky, and positioning and timing is everything. So a lot of people, myself included, we always wonder, when is the best time to buy stocks? So what I want to talk about in this video is I want to basically show you a little bit about the journey that I've had with stocks in the past, and why I also believe that right now is the absolute best time to get stocks. Now, that could be debatable, of course, because it matters what kind of stocks you're purchasing, right? So in this video, I'm going to actually show how I lost a lot of money back in 2016, 2017. And now finally in 2020, I'm thinking this is the best time to buy stocks. And I'm going to show you why. And I'm also going to show you stocks that I'm interested in buying and why I'm interested in buying those particular stocks. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to unlock my phone. I'm going to start a screen recording because I want to show you guys eventually here. I want to show you guys my Robinhood account because I use Robinhood to buy stocks. I'm not that sophisticated. I mean, there are a lot of benefits and features that you can have by using other places, but I use Robinhood because it's pretty freaking simple, and I like that. So I can't really complain about that too much. Let me see, I need to make sure that my microphone is turned on, and I'm starting a screen recording here on my iPhone so that I can share with you guys what's going on. So I started my screen recording right now. I'm going to log into my Robinhood account, and I'm going to enter my password here. Of course, I'll block that for a second. Okay, so I've entered my password. Now, I'm not really going to go into great detail about Robinhood and how to fund your account and all that stuff, but I want to just show you guys my commitment to now being the best time to buy stocks. So right now, it says investing, it has a $1,000 balance. So Robinhood has this thing where you can basically get instant, like an instant funding to your Robinhood account. So they'll automatically spot you $1,000. At least they spot me $1,000. But in reality, I have a couple of transactions that I'm waiting to clear up right now. I transferred $2,000 from my account, and then I transferred another $38,000, and I'll show you guys that right now before continuing. So let me I'll tap on the little profile at the bottom, and I'll tap on transfers just so you guys can see. Nope, that's not right. I clearly don't know what I'm talking about because I haven't fooled with the app that much. I think maybe it's under statement. Okay, sure. So here it is. It's under statements and history. So as you guys can see, because I'm sharing my phone screen with you, you see there where I have my pending deposit from my Navy Federal account, which was $2,000. I made that transaction on May 17th. It's not going to be cleared until the 22nd. I'll show you guys in a second. And then you see another transaction that I've made from May the 19th. I am transferring $38,000 from my checking account to my Robinhood account. So just as another proof of, I'll click on the text icon on my phone here, and it's under the messages. I'll click on the Robinhood and also just kind of show you guys. So May 17th, 9:30 a.m., you see that I basically, I linked a smart, well, that's not correct. That's from back in 2016. But it shows the accounts that I've linked. I've linked a Smart Financial checking account. I had a Chase account that I no longer have. So I got rid of those accounts, okay? And then you can see here where it says, good news, your Navy Federal account ending in 5919 is now linked, right? So I linked my accounts basically on May 17th, and then you see the $2,000 transfer there that's supposed to happen, okay? It's gonna be in my Robinhood account on May 22nd, and then it also talks about giving me instant deposit, which is $1,000 access. And then you can see here where it says you started a deposit for $38,000 from your Navy Federal Credit Union account, ending in blah, blah, blah. And that will be available on 5/26, which will be next Tuesday. So I'm making this video on May 20th. But the reason why I'm showing you guys that is I want to show you how committed I am to believing that now is the best time to buy stocks. So another thing that I'm going to do here on Robinhood, you can kind of see your progress. I'm just going to go ahead and click on all on my screen because I want to be transparent. I want to show you guys the journey. I want to show you my commitment to now being the best time to buy stocks. So as you can see, I'm going to touch on the screen, and what you'll see at the top of the screen here is it's showing you all of the money that basically I, for the most part, ended up losing, right? So I kind of started in the stocks here back in 2016, around February. You can kind of see that. And as I move over, you can see on the 15th of February, I was in the red, you know, not in the red, in the green. You can see that basically my stocks had gone up. On February the 29th, my stocks went up. The value of the stocks went up $1,000 and something. Now, none of this matters until you actually sell the stocks, but I never sold them. And I was selling and buying and I was profiting, but I overall ended up losing $4,399.74. I think I ended up investing like $6,500, but I ended up losing call it $4,400. Now, the reason why this is important is because, once again, I'm showing you guys my commitment. I'm going to end my screen recording. I'm showing you guys my commitment to now being the best time to buy stocks. And not only am I saying it, but I'm actually showing you guys with my efforts and with my own money that now is the best time. So I'll do, of course, more videos in the future where I'm going to be showing you that my balance in my Robinhood account is going to be $40,000. I'll probably make a video showing you that my balance is $40,000, which I deposited. This is my own money before even buying my very first stock. Now, what I want to do right now is I want to jump on the computer screen. So I'm sharing my computer screen with you guys right now and just kind of show you some of the stocks that I'm going to be purchasing. And this is also why I believe now is the best time to buy stocks. One of the stocks that I will be purchasing right off the bat is going to be airline stocks. Now, literally, I have on the screen here, this is going to be with Spirit Airlines, as you guys can see here. So currently, when I'm making this video, like kind of right now-ish, the stock is currently $9.73 with Spirit Airlines. So Yahoo Finance has this really great deal where they can kind of show you, they kind of give you an estimated return. Now, of course, nothing is guaranteed when it comes to the stock market. Everybody knows that, right? But one of the things that I like about this account with Spirit Airlines, as well as airlines in general, is that clearly airlines are suffering because of the coronavirus situation. So I think now would be the best time to get some airline stocks if you have money. So I'm in a position, thank God, that I can, you know, kind of play with some money in regards to the stock market, right? I'm risking big in order to get rewarded big. So as you can see here, you can kind of toggle between how long you'd like to see. So if I click on the 1 year on the screen here, it shows you basically the stocks from Spirit Airlines for the entire 52 weeks, the last 52 weeks. So as you move over, you can see that the stock has gone up and down. Here on March 16th, it was $8.69. In February 10th, it was $43. Okay, this is not really before Corona, but sort of, right? And so you can see for the most part, like, you know, in the last 52 weeks, the stock has done pretty well. So I would say on average, at least $30. So like right now, that stock is $9.73. Now, to me, it makes perfect sense that now would be the best time to jump on this particular stock. Once again, it's an airline stock. And my reasoning behind it is the fact that, of course, airlines will eventually get to a point where travel will be resumed as normal. So this is not going to be a short-term stock for me. Of course, people do short-term stocks all the time. They do day trade, which I'm not interested in doing. Not to mention, I'm not skilled enough to do that, nor am I trained or worried about doing that because I really see the value in the long term. Another stock that I want to get stocks with United Airlines. And one of the main reasons why I want to get stock with United Airlines is the fact that they have a bigger margin. They have a bigger gap, right? So it shows you the 52-week range here, as you guys can see on the screen, or right here. So the lowest it's been was $17.80, and the highest it's been in the last 52 weeks is $96. Once again, if I click on the year right here, you can kind of see pre-coronavirus February 10th-ish, the stock was $79. And it really, coronavirus started to come out before that, but it was like $79. Right now, it's $25. So just to give you guys an example, if I purchased, let's say I purchased 1,000 shares of this stock and it was $25 when I purchased it, right? So if I purchased 1,000 shares at $25, that will be $25,000 to get those 1,000 shares, right? So now I'll have 1,000 shares. If the stock goes from $25 to $75, right? Now, if I look back on the last 52 weeks, you see the stock price is $91. It's $89. I mean, it's basically pretty high until February-ish. So like in February, it's a little lower. But let's say the stock goes from $25 to $75. Now, once again, I have 1,000 shares. If I do 1,000 shares and it's going to go up from 25 to 75, that's a $50 difference. So I would take my 1,000 shares times 50, and that would be $50,000. Now, the reason why, once again, I'm going to be investing in airline stocks or stocks like this is because I think it's inevitable for this stock to come up, especially a company like United. United has been around for a long time. I actually live in Houston, and we used to have Continental Airline, which merged with United, and now it's United Airlines. So those two airlines merged. I don't remember exactly when, but United has been around for the longest time. So once again, I just kind of wanted to make this video to talk to you guys about when the best time is to buy stocks. And if you do your research, you can find a bunch of stocks where I believe now is the best time to buy. Another stock that would be, or another company that would be a good company to invest in would be oil and gas. Right now, oil and gas is suffering big time. And actually on my computer screen, I have two kind of oil and gas energy companies. This one, Denbury, has been around for a while. And the estimated return on this is 171%, which is a lot. So as you can see in the 52-week range, yes, the lowest has been 16 cents and the high has been $1.85. With this particular stock, if I were going to invest with this stock, I would be really, really aggressive. Now, a lot of people don't like to buy stocks that are cheaper than $1 because those stocks tend to be unstable, and I understand that, and I've learned from my mistakes back in 2016, 2017. But this particular company has been around for quite some time. I mean, a long time, actually. And so for me, if I were to buy, let's say this stock was 26 cents, right? Let's say it's 26 cents flat. So what I'm going to do is, let's say I bought 20,000 shares. So I'll do, let's see, 0.26 times 20,000 is going to be $5,200, right? So if I bought 20,000 shares, and let's say it goes up from 26 cents, let's say it just goes up to, let's say it goes up 60 cents, right? So it goes from 26 cents to 86 cents, right? A 60-cent difference. So if I have 20,000 shares and I do 20,000 shares times 60 cents difference, that's $12,000 that I will profit from this stock. So once again, I really think now is the best time to buy stocks, but more importantly, you have to do your research. You got to make sure that the company has been in business for a while, and also you have to understand that you're taking a risk. One of the things that my cousin likes to say, and he gives me a hard time, is he's like, man, as long as you're willing to lose, if that's money that you're willing to lose, then I would say go for it. And it's funny that he's saying that to me because I don't think I'm going to lose, especially with the airline industry, just because of the fact that coronavirus is here and it has affected airlines and traveling a lot. So it's not like it's normal, which is why I think, once again, this is the best time to buy stocks. Anyway, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, and also share the video with somebody that may find it helpful. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss future videos and updates just like this one. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.